Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss how to recover deleted photos videos of Snapchat on Android. So, if you have accidentally or purposely deleted the Snapchat photos videos and now looking for ways to get them back, then this video is going to help you in doing so. Now, let's go and check out the best possible methods to restore your Snapchat photos videos. First way, use File Manager. In the first method, we are going to use the File Manager to recover deleted Snapchat photos videos from the Android phone. Android keeps the cache memory of all apps where it stores the extension of all the files present on your phone. So, if you have lost the Snapchat photos and videos, then you can recover them from the cache folder using the File Manager. To do this, you need to open the File Manager on your phone. Go to the Android folder. Tap on the Data folder. Then open the Snapchat Android folder. Now, tap on the Cache folder. Here, you will get the photos and videos of Snapchat. Second way, using Google Drive. In the next method, we will use Google Drive to get back the lost photos videos of Snapchat. Google Photos is cloud storage that back up all the data of the phone. So, if you have enabled the Google Drive backup on your Android phone, then you can get back the lost Snapchat photos and videos from here. For this, open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. Go to the Files. Now, check if your photos/videos are here or not. If it is backed up on Google Drive, then you will see them here. Now, go to the photo or video. Tap on the three vertical dots. Select the download option. Now, the file will be restored on your phone. Third way, use Android Data Recovery Tool. The last but the best solution to recover the deleted Snapchat photos videos on Android is using the Android Data Recovery Tool. This tool will help you to get back your photos and videos without the need for any backup. Not just this, but you can retrieve any kind of data using this software, such as notes, memos, audio, files, documents, app data, and much more. So, without wasting any further time, download this tool and get back all the deleted data on your Android phone. To download this software, follow the link given in the description box below. I hope you liked this video and found it useful in recovering the deleted Snapchat photos videos on Android. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with us.